Welcome to UCI Rec Kids at Home. This is how to make a felt fish plushie. For this project, you will need felt or a washcloth, scissors, needle and thread or floss, and stuffing. You will outline a fish or whatever sea creature you would like to create and outline it onto your material. Then you will use your scissors to carefully cut your material to the shape desired. Once your sea creature is cut out, now it's time for the needle and thread. I'm using regular dental floss. You can use embroidery floss or thread. Next, you are going to start sewing the two pieces together. Be sure to leave a little piece out so it's easy to tie at the end once you've stuffed your creature. You're going to simply use a simple technique going over and under along the seams to ensure that the edges are closed. Once that side is complete, move on to the other side. If you noticed, I've switched needles. I found the plastic one to be a little difficult to pull through, so I switched to a metal needle with a very wide eye so the floss can go through. Continue the same method until that side is complete. If you find yourself running low on thread, simply cut the thread and attach a new piece with a simple knot. Once you have reached the middle of the fish, right before you finish the tail, start to stuff your fish with your stuffing. I would recommend using a pen or a pencil to stuff the stuffing to any areas that you aren't able to get with your finger. For me, it was the tip of the fish. Once you have completed the body, you can move on to the tail. If you are doing a different creature, please be mindful of how much stuffing you place inside because it will make it difficult to stitch your creature close. Once you have reached the end of your creature, simply cut the thread away from the needle and tie the loose ends together, the thread that you had left over from the beginning, and then cut it closer so you can't see the string. Next, we are going to sew a button on as an eye. We're simply going to thread the button through the towel or felt and up through the buttonholes. Be sure to not skip the felt or the fabric because your button will just slide right off. If you don't leave enough string to tie a knot, simply wrap your thread around a couple times and twist, and that should keep your eye secure.